Again.
Ah, there he goes. Hey, Flame Dragon, don't shoot, bro. Let him up the steps. Let him up the steps.
I'm coming upstairs. I'm coming up the stairs. I'm coming up. I'm coming up.
Hey.
Hey, Jackson, get over here. Get over here.
Come on, Jackson. Come on, Jackson. You good, bro?
Oh! Jackson.
Well, I guess at the end we can come to like a little truce or something. You know, drop grenades and run. I hear one. I hear it. Hot potato. Who's in B?
Who's in Charlie?
Oh,
Who's
Charlie.
in
Charlie.
Chill. Whoever's in Charlie, chill, bro. It's 5 of us. If you don't chill, we're gonna come inside there and tap that ass.
We're gonna come inside of you. We're gonna come inside of you.
Yep. Yeah. Just relax, bro. Now
See how many of us there are?
Tell your teammates to fall back and chill, please.
Chill out.
Tell them to meet up. Tell them to meet up.
We're gonna follow you, all right?
Give them your location. Put that fucking grenade
Put it
away.
away, bro.
Put it up. Oh shit! I'm blind.
I can't see. Get through the top.
Come on over.
Down here on the bottom.
Fucking all of us.
Which one is it that needs it?
Hey, yo.
Okay, I'm right.
Wait, where you at? There you go. There you go.
Alright, I'm on the other side.
Wait.
Bro, it knocked him right out.
Oh wait.
It knocked him right out.
Oh my god, damn. Oh shit! Oh shit!
Whoa.